Hola, good people. Hola, estudiantes. All right, what's up, Robert? I see you, bro. Make sure you hit the like button. All right. I see two people in there. Make sure y'all type y'all name in so I can see who in there. All right. Hola, Yasel, Brianna, Eliana. It's page 44. All right. So if you got your book. What's up, Gabby? You woke, bro? Gabby woke. Miss Lino, I'm getting your emails, but I don't see your picture. One of them I saw the picture, but the other ones I didn't. So make sure you attaching the picture to your email. All right. Darlene, what's up? Chris, what's up? All right. Happy Friday to y'all. Um, Hopefully y'all doing good. Make sure y'all downloading Zoom. A lot of you have already downloaded Zoom, and I've already talked to you about setting it up. That's good. All right. I want to do as many as possible, bro. As many as possible. That way we can do our Zoom. What's up, Steven? I got your text, bro. Um, I'm probably not gonna be able to do Zoom today because I gotta go run different places. I have a very important meeting after I get off this live. All right. So I probably can't do Zoom today. What's up, Valeria? Cesar. All right. At the top of the chat, I put page 44. That's what we're doing today. All right. Page 44. We're multiplying decimals. All right. The I do problem is number one. What's up, Natalie? All right. Page 44, number one is the I do. All right. We're a couple minutes in. It's always some late bloomers coming to class. All right. All right. Make sure y'all hit the like button. Y'all got to get my likes up, man. Come on, man. Support your teacher, man. All right. So how y'all day going? All right. I'm gonna give y'all like one more minute before we get started. You said your mama got the air on 30. Oh, you finna freeze, bro. uh, you finna freeze. On God, you finna freeze. But get you a blanket. All right. Natalie says she's doing good today. Good. All right. Oh, for those of you who were on my live the other day, I told you that I did another video about Rich Dad Poor Dad Chapter 1. That video is already done. My friend, he already put it on his YouTube page, but now I'm gonna put it on mine. He already downloaded it, so I gotta get the copy of the stream from him. So it'll be on my YouTube. You can check your notifications this weekend. I'm gonna try to put it up by today or tomorrow. But as long as your notifications are on, you can see my Rich Dad Poor Dad Chapter 1. Me and my homeboy, we're talking about the book back and forth. But we're talking about it from being in the hood, a neighborhood perspective of it, not just I read the book. Let me tell you about this. Nah, we give you more of an urban perspective about it. Right? Gabby said she got on 2 jackets and 3 covers and she's still cold. You better open the window and let some of that air out. All right. Um. Before I start, make sure you're doing Miss Trejo and Miss Lewis's work because they're texting me saying, "Hey, did you teach this kid today? Did you teach that kid today? Because this kid hasn't sent me any work." We got to turn in grades. Unfortunately, we got to turn in grades. So, and y'all progress report's going to get mailed to y'all house. So make sure y'all doing grades for all 3 teachers, right? All 3 of them, right? Make sure y'all do work for all 3 classes. All right, but I ain't gonna hold you. Yourself. Oh, happy early birthday, okay? All right, this is number 1 on page 44, all right? Talk about Ben, man. Now, Ben, uh, he about his money, man. Ben, he worried about his money, all right? So, Ben is about to spend some money on pencils in the math class, all right? So, imagine being in the math class with Ben, right? So, Ben bought 8 new pencils to use in math class. If each pencil costs 31 cents, how much did Ben pay for all 8 pencils? All right. Again, Ben is in the math class. Imagine being in the math class with him. He spent 31 cents on 8 different pencils. And I want to know what's the total amount he spent. So I have a number of pencils and I have how many cents each pencil costs. And I'm asking you for a total. Those are the habits of a multiplication problem. Number of something, how much of something is in each one of them. And you're asking for a total. All right. 8 pencils, each of them costs 31 cents. I want to know what's the total that he paid for all 8 pencils. Creates my multiplication problem, which is $0.31 times 8. Now, looking at my answer choices, I know some of them are gone. I know A is gone. A says 29 cents. There's no way the answer is A because 1 pencil costs 31 cents. How can 8 of them be less than the cost of 1 of them? Unless they've given them away, right? A is gone, right? Now, D is also gone. D is way too big. If this is less than $1 and you got 8 of them, then you're going to spend less than $8. So your answer has to be less than $8, right? Which means D is incorrect. Now, I'll come back to D later and I'm going to prove a point. Some of you might know what D is already. But I'm going to multiply it out, then I'm going to come back to D and you're going to see what D is. All right? Now, these two are relatively close. So you're going to see what the real answer is based off of these, right? So 8 times 1 is 8. You're good. Both of them got 8s. 8 times 3 is 24. You put down the 4, carry the 2. You're good. Both of them got 48. But 8 times 0 is 0 plus this 2 at the top is 2 right there. And then I have hundreds. So my answer needs to have hundreds. So he spent $2.48. All right. Now, look at D. D has $24.80. If the real answer is $2.40, then if you know what sniper D is, type it in. What type of sniper is D? What type of answer choice is D designed to do? It's designed to throw you off, so that's why I call it a sniper. But what type of sniper is it? If you know it, type it in. If you're in my class, you should know it. I know Cesar probably know it. Look at the real answer and look at D. What sniper is D? All right. All right, Stephen. Stephen, what you're saying is true. But in my class, I got a name for what you're saying. Natalie, I'm asking you what sniper is, not placeholder zeros. That has nothing to do with it. What is the name of the sniper? Cesar, what's the name of this sniper? Y'all forgot? Okay, so obviously you forgot. This is the place value sniper. This is the place value sniper. And it's the place value sniper because it has the right numbers in the answer, but they're in the wrong place value. So that's why I call it the place value sniper. All right. But like Steven said, you didn't look at your decimal point, right? So the decimal point determines where the place value is. You're saying the same thing, Steven. All right. It's the place value sniper. All right. So I know y'all ain't been in my class in a while and y'all rusty. Natalie talking about, oh yeah. Yeah, it's the place value sniper. It has the right answers in the answer choice, but they're in the wrong place value. Again, they designed to throw you off. If you multiply this and you got 248 and you don't know where to put the decimal point in, you probably gonna get hit by the place value sniper. All right, so good. Number one is C. All right. Any questions about the I do problem? Number one, you may type it in at this time. If you don't have any questions, you might give me the Wakanda symbol, like A. Marie, or you can give me the circle with the line drawn through. All right. All right, cool. I see your symbols. Now, the we do problem is page 44, number 4. All right, we're going to be talking about Marco. I'm good. Is that Tarek asking how are you and your kids? We're good. Thank you for asking, man. My kids is good. My wife is good. She upstairs asleep. Her and the baby upstairs asleep. All right. All right. This is number 4. All right. Page 44, number 4. All right. Um, we're talking about Marco. All right. Again, we're talking about people that's all about their coins today. All right. Marco talking about money too. He's saving money out of his allowance, right? So Marco saves $3.75 from his allowance every week. How much money will he have saved from his allowance in 18 weeks? All right. Again, I have a certain amount of money each week, and I have a number of weeks, and I want to know the total. So that creates the foundation of a multiplication problem. Those are the habits of a multiplication problem. Number of groups, how much is in each group? Weeks in this problem represents the group. See, there's 18 weeks, so there's 18 groups, right? And there's $3.75 each week. So in each group is going to be $3.75, right? So if you was in first and second grade, you could draw 18 circles. Each circle represents a week. And you would put $3.75 in each circle. So you can repeatedly add all of those up, or you can multiply. All right? All right. Now, we got some brilliant people who have analyzed the answer choices already. And they have said, Mr. T, I know for sure that A gone. All right? Good. I see y'all. Cesar, Ms. Lino, Steven, I see y'all. All right? It's wrong if 1 week give me $3.75, then the next week is $3.75 more. How is 18 weeks only going to be $6.75? Wrong. All right. So y'all know A is gone. All right. Now, can y'all use y'all little intelligent minds and tell me another one that's wrong? You got $33.75, $6.10, $6.50. Can you get rid of another one? Since this is the we do. Those of y'all that's telling me y'all can get rid of D. How? How can you get rid of D? Let me know. How can you get rid of D? D as in dog. How can you get rid of it? Like, what reason do you have? I know I got rid of A because A is way too low for 18 weeks. It's way too low. But how can you get rid of D? You're saying, I'm asking you which one can you get rid of? All right, so all y'all retracting y'all messages. But Cesar is right. You can also get rid of B as in boy. Now, let me tell you why you can get rid of B as in boy. You can get rid of B as in boy because $3.75 times 10 is about $37.50. See, when you're multiplying times 10, you move in the decimal point or you move in the number over to the left. When I taught you place value, I taught that when you're multiplying by 10, the number is sliding to the left. All right. And when you're dividing by 10, it's going to the right. If you look in your, if you got your map journal, it's the first anchor chart of the year. I talked about place value. So If I just take $3.75 and I multiply it by 10, that's already $37, which is more than this. I need 18 weeks. This ain't even 10 weeks. This is way too low. So this is too low, and this is too low. Because I know how to estimate the dirty E word, because I know how to estimate, I know that these two is not correct. What do you mean, Mr. Tran? Let's say this was 20 weeks, and let's say it's about $3. Well, 20 times 3 is $60. And since this is more than $3, you know you're going to need a little bit more than $60. So that's why these two are the only ones that make sense. All right? The other two don't. Now, since we got rid of the wrong answers, let me find the right answer. $3.75 from its allowance every week. So $3.75 each one. Now I have 18 weeks. All right. Now, 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 7 is 56. Plus 4 is 60. 8 times 3 is 24. Plus 6 is 30. All right. So one of my partial products is right here. Now I have to put a placeholder 0 right there. 1 times 5 is 5. Right here, I know the answer is D, because I'm going to add all of these up when I'm done. 7, that's where you get the 7 from. And 1 times 3 is 3, and that's where you get the 6 from. So add it up. 0, 5, 7, 6. Now I have hundreds in my original problem. I have 2 places behind the decimal point. So my answer needs to have 2 places behind the decimal point. So my answer is $67.50, which is D. All right. Good. Any questions about number 4? You can type them in. If not, you can put the Wakanda sign, or you can put the 0 with the line drawn through it. All right. And y'all think y'all slick. Some of y'all using that calculator to hurry up. Some of y'all didn't multiply that good in class. Some of y'all using that calculator. You think you slick. I know you use a calculator. I still love you anyway. Stephen, do you have you had a thumbs down? Stephen, you have a question, Stephen? You can type in yes or no. Oh, okay. I thought you had a question. That's why you put the thumbs down. Okay. If there are no other questions, then all you have to do is page 44 for independent practice. On page 44, you just do number 2 and number 3. All right. That's all you have to do. All right. Real quick, number 2, it says each seed in a package weighs 1,800 grams. If the package contains 32 seeds, how much does the packet weigh? Simple. It told you how many seeds and how much each of them weigh. Just multiply. Right. And number 3, each team earns 62.15 points in each of 6 events. How many points did each team earn in all? So 6 events and 62.15 in each one. Multiply. Make sure for number 3 you put it in the griddable correctly. Okay. Okay. Make sure you put it in the griddable correctly, bro. If it got hundreds in your problem, the answer gonna have to have hundreds. All right. If there's no other questions, make sure you send me that homework through Instagram or through my email. Make sure you download the Zoom app this weekend. All right. That way we can go ahead and test out the system. By next week, I want to set a date for graduation. So I need a whole bunch of kids to download the Zoom so I could try to play with it and to see if I can get a whole bunch of people on at one time. Then when we do that, I'll test it out for graduation, okay? Yeah, a date for graduation, meaning what day is going to be on, Natalie? Duh. All right, thank you, Valeria. All right. What y'all doing this weekend? All right, type in what you're doing this weekend before you leave. Let me check Valeria homework real quick. Valeria, number 2 is wrong, Valeria. And number 3, you can erase the number in your hundreds place. It's a 0 in the hundreds place, Valeria. So your number 2 was wrong, and your number 3 answer needs to have a 0 in the hundreds place. Oh, Gabby, you getting box braid? I would get box braid too, but I ain't got no hair, Gabby. I can't get no box braids. Steven, you say you're going to play the game with Tarek and Layson, huh? Where is Layson and Tarek at? They probably sleep. They missed the whole lesson. Oh, Tarek in here? I didn't know Tarek was in here. But anyway, I ain't gonna hold y'all that much longer. Again, my first video from Rich Dad Poor Dad chapter 1 is gonna drop this weekend. All right, so keep your notifications on. You'll be able to see it. I think it's about an hour, but it's me and my friend Corey. We're going back to back, talking about chapter 1 and talk about what we learned and how it is gonna help you learn. All right. So keep your notifications on so you can see this video this weekend. All right. All right. I love y'all. Y'all be cool. Peace.